I welcome you on my channel Step 1 Insights. Let's start. A 28-year-old man comes to the physician because of a 2-month history of a rash on his wrists and hands. He is a first-year mortuary science student. He also works on his grandfather's farm each weekend. His hobbies include raising homing pigeons and repairing vintage motorcycles. He recently changed to a different type of laundry detergent to save money. Physical examination shows a diffuse erythematous rash involving both hands up to the wrist creases. The rash does not extend over any other parts of the body. Which of the following is the most likely cause of this patient's rash? Given the information provided, the most likely cause of the patient's rash is contact dermatitis, which is an inflammatory reaction resulting from exposure to an irritant or allergen. A. Change in laundry detergent. This is a common cause of contact dermatitis, but typically it would affect more areas of the body that come in contact with the laundered clothing, not just the wrists and hands. B. Exposure to chemicals during motorcycle repair. While this could certainly cause a rash, it would be more localized to the areas of direct contact unless the chemicals were on his clothing, in which case the rash might be more widespread. C. Handling pigeons. Pigeon breeders can develop hypersensitivity to pigeon proteins, leading to pigeon breeder's disease, which mainly affects the respiratory system, not the skin. D. Pesticide exposure. If he is using pesticides on the farm, this could cause a contact dermatitis rash. However, the rash would likely appear on other exposed areas of the body as well, not just the wrists and hands. E. Use of latex gloves. This is a common cause of contact dermatitis among healthcare workers and others who frequently wear gloves. The rash is usually limited to the areas covered by the gloves, fitting the description of the man's rash. Given that the rash is limited to his hands and does not extend beyond the wrist creases, the most likely cause is something that contacts only his hands and wrists. If he is a mortuary science student, he may frequently be wearing latex gloves during embalming and other procedures. Therefore, the most likely cause of the patient's rash is E. Use of latex gloves. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, click like, and never give up.